How you doing, Ralphy here, Ralfy Customs. Welcome to my channel. I noticed a lot of my contemporaries are doing these previews, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Hopefully new people come in will like what they see, and then you can subscribe, click the bell for alerts, and please give me a thumbs up so I know that you like it. Any comments I'll try and respond to. I'm going to chop together a few clips that kind of show you what I do here. Yeah, mostly custom fabrication on motorbikes, machining, welding, all sorts of metalwork. And I do regular vlogs that I call vlogs. Everyone takes the mickey out of me, so you can keep up with the antics in the workshop. Thanks for watching, lots of love. Hopefully you'll subscribe if you like what you see. Spared you me levelling that up, blocking that out. Look, we've trued that, we've skimmed it all over. You can see me climb milling. Check out Joe Pye, I'll put a link in. I'm sorry Joe, I don't think you'll ever see this, but I can't pronounce your last name without looking it up. But Joe, fuck about, that's a big hole. Be Jesus, we're pushing into the limit this afternoon. Oh, John. Righto, so quick update. We're all painted. Side panel, front mudguard, petrol tank. Woohoo! Off we go then, nice and steady. Let's hope that we don't get snowed in. There you go. On Mickey BT dial, just rebuilt it. After being in storage for quite a few years. It's one of the very first machines that I built from completely from parts. So there you go. Got the Triumph, stripped it down, done the bare bones of the framework, kind of worked out where things are going to go bish bash bosh. Trimmed off the fat, so we cleaned up around the headstock. We've took all the shit off that we don't want, barring the handlebars. I'm going to change them, but I've left them on for now so I can fuck about with it. I've dummy mounted a tank, so I know exactly where that needs to be, and I've made the decision on how I'm going to chop and change the rear end.